I'm Technical Candidate. And I'm Charmin Akila, and this is our returning members, Hafiz and Fitan.
Hi, I'm teacher Najwa, the advisor for team GreenThumb,
Representing
SMK Shahbandaraya.
I've been worried about our school plants lately.
Why? Is there something wrong?
Yes, even though our custodians water the plants every day, I worry they might be overhydrated or dehydrated, which will lead to unstable and unsuitable temperatures. That's why they look so wilted these days.
Well, in that case, we can ask our senior for some help, since they are expert in agriculture.
Due to the rising temperatures in Malaysia, we have an advantage by using solar power to produce electric charge for our model. We don't have enough custodians in school to water the plants every day. This model will be using recycled plastic and papers to reduce waste in food. Not only that, our model will be using transparent body to receive the right amount of sunlight every day.
First, we use the Arduino Uno to automatically water the plants with the help of soil moisture sensor and temperature sensor. At the same time, it will also create a balanced temperature for the plant. Our model is organized with power station and control station that certifies to be easier.
Our model has a liquid crystal display (LCD) that displays the moisture level of the plant. Not only that, our model uses transparent body to ensure the plants receive the right amount of sunlight. Lastly, the best part of our model is that we use recycled items like plastic to create our very own electric generator that supplies current to our model. This way, our custodians don't need to worry about watering the plants.
Our estimated cost for our model sums up to 223 ringgit and 32 cents.
Thank you, UMCAS and Mr. DIY for giving us this opportunity.
To join this competition,
See you there, Green Thumbs!